Did you know the most feared bomber unit in World War II was flying planes the Soviet military handed over as an insult? In 1941, the Soviet Union formed a regiment made entirely of women pilots. To show how seriously they took it, they gave them the oldest, slowest aircraft in the fleet. Wooden biplanes left over from the 1920s. Crop dusters, basically. Too slow to outrun a German fighter by a wide margin, so the women figured something out. Before crossing enemy lines, they cut their engines completely. The planes glided through the darkness in total silence. The crew dropped bombs by hand. Then they restarted the engine mid-air and disappeared into the night. German soldiers on the ground heard almost nothing, just the soft whistle of wind through the wing wires. They said it sounded like a broomstick sweeping through the sky. They started calling them Nachtthexen, night witches. Over the course of the war, these women flew more than 23,000 missions. The disadvantage became the weapon. The insult became the legend.